Right, so here's a little demo of my Zigbee touchpad. So that's it. This is my front door over here, and this is a flap covering the basement stairs. So let's wake it up. Press a button, blink the light, so it's connected now. 1, 2, 3, 4, execute, and the door will open. Right, so now let's open the flap. Again, code 5, 6, 7, 8, execute, and the flap will open. Okay, let's stop that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 0 should close it, and it's closing. So you can program any code and method to any action. You should really build one. It's a fun little electronics project. Thank you.